So let's talk about vaccines. So vaccines have become a controversial topic post-COVID. And this is not to say vaccines are not fantastic tools for mitigating infectious disease, but people think that population scale vaccination programs do encroach on our personal freedoms, particularly in the light of the fact that some people can suffer from adverse reactions. So do we make all vaccination programs opt-in? I don't agree with this at all, no. But we do need to better understand how to target the populations that will benefit the most and suffer the least, particularly in the light of these adverse reactions. So this week it was announced that the UK is trialling its first vaccine against norovirus, and this is the UK and a number of other countries. So norovirus is a highly contagious virus, and it commonly causes bouts of nausea, diarrhea and vomiting. It's often called the winter vomiting bug. So interestingly, some people carry a mutation in a gene called FUT2, so FUT2, which stops the norovirus from entering the cells in the gut. So this is because these people don't secrete an antigen that the virus uses to recognize the cell and then to enter the cell and infect it. So these non-secretors are immune to the most common serotypes or versions of the norovirus. In addition, a large study also demonstrated that these non-secretors were 26 times less susceptible to rotavirus infection. So this is a different virus, and this also causes inflammation of the gut, gastroenteritis in particular. But nature giveth with one hand and taketh away with the other. These non-secretors are also inclined to have lower levels of the bacteria genus Bifidobacteria. So you may have heard of this. This is one of these so-called friendly bacteria that reduces gut inflammation, and there are lots of products and services that you can purchase today to increase your levels of this bacterial genus. So anyway, back to vaccines. So I guess what we're really trying to say here is that this example shows that in conjunction with the current health data used, our genetics can help us inform the targeting of vaccination programs better within the population. So just to put this in some sort of context, if you look at the Fitness Genes members at the moment, 12% of our Fitness Genes members have non-secretor immunity to norovirus. So this is just another interesting piece of data that you can build into the modelling to make predictions of who would best respond to vaccination programs that are offered today and in the future. Thanks for listening.